In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Squarespace. Let's get your store ready to take money quickly and confidently. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor. Look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that to open your site's settings panel. This is where all your core store configuration lives, including payments. Inside settings, find the section labeled Selling. Depending on your template or version, you might also see it called Commerce, but either way, it's the place dedicated to your store setup. Open it to view options related to products, checkout, and the providers you'll use to accept payments from customers. Next, head into the Payments area. This page lists the available payment processors that Squarespace supports. Here, you'll see options to connect Stripe and PayPal. You can use one or both, and they work together seamlessly if you decide to enable each. Choose the provider that best fits your business. Stripe is a great all-in-one solution for accepting major credit and debit cards, and in many regions, it also enables Apple Pay and Google Pay for a faster checkout. PayPal is ideal if your audience prefers paying with a PayPal balance or linked bank account, and it can boost conversion for customers who like the extra layer of familiarity. When you select a provider, click to connect it. If you already have an account, you'll sign in and authorize Squarespace to process payments on your behalf. If you don't have one yet, you'll be guided to create it and submit basic business details. After authorization, you'll be returned to Squarespace, and the status will show as connected. Repeat this step if you want to enable both Stripe and PayPal for maximum flexibility at checkout. A few helpful notes as you finish up. Make sure your store currency in Squarespace matches the currency in your payment provider to avoid conversion surprises. If you don't see the selling or payments option, confirm that your site is on a plan that supports commerce features. Availability can also vary by country, so check that. Stripe and PayPal operate where your business is registered. Finally, once connected, you can customize checkout settings, policies, and notifications within the same selling area so customers have a smooth, trustworthy experience. That's it. By opening settings, going to selling, selecting payments, and connecting Stripe or PayPal, your Squarespace store is ready to accept orders securely.